internet family. I'm making a workshop for you guys right now about how to activate your healing hands. So healing hands is a term that's been used all over cultures, all over the world, all throughout time, because we're all natural healers, but some of us have more of an affinity to it, a desire to learn more about it. More people talk about it to us, around us. Sometimes you might notice your hand getting hot if you're in a very intense situation, or if you're driving through a place that's very energetically charged in nature, that kind of thing. And so if you're interested in having healing hands, I've studied a bunch of different modalities over the past 15 or so years of healing and energy healing. So things that it's subtle, but you can feel it. And I actually imbue a lot of my videos with that. So some of that energy that you feel coming through what I do, it's the healing energies that I'm going to show you guys how to do. So this isn't going to certify you any specific method of healing, because I'm taking from a bunch of different ones. But it's going to be guided meditations to activate your healing potential, whatever that means for you. So there will be options. For instance, since it's no ideology, I will start with inviting you to set your own intention about what you want to accomplish and bringing in your greatest connection with the healing energy of the universe. So if you're an atheist, it could be kind of the unified fields, the thing that runs through all things, that provides the health to everything. If you're religious, it could be God. If you are spiritual, it could be the universe. Wolf medicine for you. There you go. And there will be a bunch of similar things like that. And then we'll go through the parts of your hand. We'll talk about the power of a gentle touch, because since it is gentle, often it can get overlooked, but the power of a gentle touch is something that I think is healing the world and can continue. And especially if you're a very intense person, sometimes meditating on a gentle touch is a good thing. You'll see. So if you're interested in the workshop, this is how it goes. I'm recording it this Saturday, August 18th. And it will be 11 to 1 Pacific time, and it will be recorded. So if you take it live, the first 10 people I'm letting in live, because I want it to be enough so I can talk to each of you, and then we'll record it live. Everyone after that, I'm going to send the recording to. And for all of you guys who register before the actual cutoff date, you'll be provided a link to come to a live Q&A we'll do a couple weeks later to see how it's affected you. So one of the things that I like to do in my work is learn how to send energy through the computers and through the technology. So I'm intending to send you blessing healing energy right now. And so if you are interested in what this will be about, you're feeling some of it right now. If you don't feel anything, then it's probably not for you. And that's okay, because we're all different. We have different specializations. This is just one of mine that I want to share with those people who want it. So regardless, sending you guys love from the forested mountains in between Los Angeles and Joshua Tree. May you have a beautiful, beautiful day. May you find your path more and more easily all the time. And may each step of the journey be delicious.